Good morning, students. Welcome to Shiksha Sanjog online teaching of Nuapada district. Dear students, today we shall discuss defining relative clause and non-defining relative clause. So, students, relative clauses are of two types. First one is defining relative clause, and second one is non-defining relative clause. So, students, defining relative clause is also called as identifying or restrictive relative clause. Like this, non-defining relative clause is also called as non-identifying relative clause or non-restrictive relative clause. So students, relative clause begins with relative pronoun like who, whose, whom, which or that. They are 5 numbers. Then relative adverbs when, where, why, how, 4 numbers. Dear students, points to be remember, relative clause always begins with both relative pronoun or relative adverbs. But an adverb clause always begins with a relative adverbs. Dear students, look at these two sentences. I know the man where he lives. And next, I know where he lives. In these sentences, the subordinate clauses where he lives, one is relative clause, another is adverb clause. So students, how do we know one is relative clause and another is adverb clause? You see, in the first sentence, I know the man where he lives. Here, the subordinate clause where he lives is used after the noun phrase the man. Here, the relative clause defines the noun phrase the man. So this is a relative clause. But in the second sentence, where he lives, the subordinate clause is used after a verb, and that is know. Here, where he lives is an adverb clause. Dear students, we shall discuss vividly adverb clause in our next class. Look at these sentences. Sahil, who is reading in class 8, is my brother. Here, Sahil is my brother is a main clause. Who is reading in class 8 is a non-defining relative clause. Like this, in the second sentence, I hate people who waste their time. Here, I hate people is the main clause, and who waste their time is defining relative clause. So students, how do we know one is defining relative clause and another is non-defining relative clause? Look at the first sentence. Sahil, who is reading in class 8, is my brother. Here, the subordinate clause who is reading in class 8. If we remove this relative clause, the sentence will be Sahil is my brother. Here, the sentence is cleared. So, here the relative clause is a non-defining relative clause. The relative clause here gives extra or additional information about Sahil. So this is non-defining relative clause. But in the second sentence, who waste their time, if we remove this relative clause, who waste their time, the sentence becomes incomplete or unclear. Here, I hate people means I hate which people is not cleared. Who waste their time clears that which people I hate. Defining relative clause. If a relative clause which defines a noun phrase is a defining relative clause, the defining relative clause defines the noun phrase. The noun phrase cannot be defined itself. it takes the help of other clause. The subordinate clause which helps to define the noun phrase is a defining relative clause. Defining relative clause completes the noun phrase. Next, non-defining relative clause. If a relative clause gives additional information to the noun phrase, is a non-defining relative clause. Non-defining relative clause does not define the noun phrase. Here, the noun phrase defines itself. Points to be remembered. When we differ defining relative clause and non-defining relative clause. First, the defining relative clause is an essential part of a sentence, but the non-defining relative clause is an additional part of a sentence. It gives extra information to a sentence or noun phrase. Second, the non-defining relative clause is kept separate from the main clause with the help of commas or a comma. Third, the non-defining relative clause cannot take the relative pronoun that. The relative pronoun cannot be dropped in the non-defining relative clause. Next, contact clause or zero relative clause. Look at these two sentences, dear students. The number you are calling is switched off. I have read the book my brother bought. In the above sentences, the underlined clauses are called as contact relative or zero relative clause because here the relative clauses are made without relative pronoun. Here the relative pronoun can be dropped in the relative clause. So students, you see the relative clause you are calling begins with a subject and that is you, like this. In the second sentence or second relative clause, my brother bought. Here the clause begins with my. If a relative clause begins with a subject like you and my, here relative pronoun is not used before it. So these relative clauses are called as zero relative clause or contact relative clause. Okay students, this is all about defining and non-defining relative clause. Thank you students.